we had seen the preparation of trial balance. So we know the rule: expenses and losses debit, incomes and gains credit, assets debit, liabilities and capital credit. Okay, so we will do the third problem. Okay, so first one, stock trial balance. Trial balance. So first one, stock 28,800. Aparna, where it will come? Stock.
Sir, debit.
Debit. Yes. So opening stock, that will be debit. Opening stock 28,800. 28,800. Opening stock. Opening stock. Opening stock. Next, purchases. Femina, debit or credit? Purchases.
Sir, debit.
Debit. Purchases, debit. 82,000. 82,000. Next, sales. Anjo, sales, debit or credit?
Credit.
Yes. Sales, credit. Sales, credit. 1,60,000. Next, wages. Wages. Atul, wages, debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Debit. Because it is expense, 16,160. Next, salaries. Salaries, Shubham Pal. Salaries. Debit or credit? Shubham. Debit. 6,400. Next, repair charges. Repair charges. Pavitra, debit or credit? Repair charges. Repair charges. Pavitra. Pavitra. Repair charges. Hadi, repair charges. Hadi, turn on your video. Aditya, Anuj, Shubham Pal, Pavitra, Hadi, Irfan. Hadi, repair charges, debit or credit? Irfan, repair charges.
I don't know, sir.
Whether it is expense or income, Irfan.
Expense.
So expense, debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. So paid salary, Janandri, Irfan, paid salary.
Paid salary.
Salary to cash. So it is expense debit. Expense debit. Okay. So expense debit. So 500. Next, commission received. Commission received. Anuj, debit or credit? credit. Commission received, income. That's why credit. Next, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Tomlin, debit or credit? Debtors. Tomlin, sundry debtors.
Sir, credit.
Debtors, asset or liability?
Check.
Asset. So it will be debit. Okay, sundry debtors, asset. Next, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, Aditya. Debit or credit? Aparna.
Sir, credit.
Credit. Okay, sundry creditors, credit. Next, capital. Capital. Femina. Debit or credit? Capital. Femina.
Credit.
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 Okay, capital and liabilities, credit. Next, drawings. Karthik, debit or credit?
Credit.
Drawings. You look journal entry, what we are doing, drawings.
Debit.
Yes, so 4,400. Okay, so you think expense or income, otherwise you think loss entry, journal entry. Suppose purchase, debit, salary, debit, capital, credit. Next, return inwards. Tomlin, return inwards means which return? Sales return. Debit or credit? Entry you have to look. Journal entry, sales return, debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Very good, debit. Okay, sales return, debit. Next, return outwards. Return outwards means purchase return. Aparna, purchase returns, return outward.
Sir, credit.
Yes, 5,600. Next, carriage inward. Carriage inward. Carriage inward means for purchase of raw material, we have to give transportation charge. Carriage inward. Carriage outward means after the production we will sell that goods to the people. So that time we have to spend a lot of money for transportation. That is carriage outward. It is a direct expense. Carriage inward. Carriage outward is a indirect expense. Both are expense. Okay, here means it is related to production, so it is a direct expense. Carriage outward means after production, after the finished products, then we will sell. That time any transportation cost, that is carriage outward. So carriage inward, Karthik, debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Yes, debit. Next, carriage outward, Shubham. Carriage outward.
Credit.
Credit. Okay, then it will be debit. Both are expenses. Shubham, it is expense only. It is indirect expense. Both carriage inward means for purchase of raw material. If any transportation expense, that is carriage inward. Carriage outward means after the production we will sell that goods to the people. So in that time, any transportation expense, both are expense. Expense will be debit. Okay. Next. Next, furniture. That is asset or liability at look. Furniture. Anila. Debit or credit? Furniture.
Debit.
Debit. Next, motor car. Motor car. Pavitra, motor car. Debit or credit? Asset debit, liability and capital credit. Expense and losses debit, incomes and gains credit. Pavitra, motor car. Pavitra, Hadi, motor car. Irfan, motor car. Debit or credit? Irfan, debit or credit? So everyone turn on your video. Motor car. Sharath, motor car.
Debit.
Yes, debit. Next, cash in hand. Cash in hand. Femina, cash in hand.
Sir, debit. Sir, debit.
Debit. Correct, debit. It is your asset. So if you think it is your liability, already I said, you can give to me. Okay? If cash is your liability, cash is asset. Okay? 4,700. Next, bank overdrafts. Bank overdrafts. Aparna, bank overdrafts.
Sir, credit.
Credit. It is liability. Withdraw amount more than we have. That is bank overdraft. Next, investments. Investments. Anjo Sibi, investments. Debit or credit? Debit. It is asset. It is asset. Next, interest on investments. Interest on investments. Interest on investments. Irfan, interest on investments. Debit or credit or debit?
Credit.
Credit. Very good. 2,400. Okay. Now we will do the total. Both sides should be equal. Sharath, Irfan, I given the project to them, so you ask. So next week I will give banking project. So attend the class. So any doubts? Trial balance related to trial balance? Anyone? expense and losses debit, incomes and gains credit, asset debit, liability and capital credit. So at least one side you calculate 1,91,500. I don't. So turn on your video. Shubham, Pavitra, Irfan, Sharath. Pavitra, Sharath, turn on your video. Pavitra, Shubham Pal, Shubham, turn on your video. So now I will ask, so trial balance is over. So first you have to tell advertisement, debit or credit, Atul. Advertisement,
Sir, debit.
debit. Interest received, Femina. Interest received.
Sir, credit.
Very good. Sharath. Sundry creditors.
Debit.
Credit. Sundry creditors, credit. It is a liability. Sundry debtors. Shubham Pal.
Yes, sir.
Sundry debtors.
Debit.
Debit. Very good. Next, Anat. Furniture. Debit. The next, Aparna, drawings.
Sir, debit.
Yes. Hanna, cash at bank.
Credit.
Cash at bank. So
Debit.
debit. Okay. Cash at bank, debit. Next, prepaid insurance. Some other adjustment I'm telling. Prepaid insurance. Anat, left. Anat, prepaid insurance. Asset or liability? Prepaid, expense paid in advance. Asset or liability? Debit. Very good. Next, income received in advance. Karthik.
Sir, credit.
Very good. Okay, it is a liability. Next, accrued interest. Accrued interest means accrued income. Aparna.
Sir, debit.
Very good. Asset. Accrued income, asset. Okay, prepaid insurance. Next, outstanding expenses. Anjo. Outstanding wages, outstanding salary. Credit. Yes, credit, because it is a liability. Okay, adjustment item I said, prepaid insurance asset, prepaid accrued income asset, prepaid insurance, accrued income asset, then income received in advance, outstanding expenses, liability. Okay, so trial balance is over. Okay, next bit I will teach errors and rectification. So thank you all.